Hi everyone, Kate here. Today I am outside and makeup free so that I can try out an interesting sounding makeup alternative from 1874. I first read about this trick in The Ugly Girl Papers, which is a Victorian era beauty advice book. It features a short section that describes various rouge options and alternatives, including geranium leaves. As we have some hanging baskets of red geraniums right outside our front door, I thought this would be a fun tip to try out. There aren't any instructions given in the book in terms of application, so I basically just rubbed a crushed petal on my face. The petal juice, for lack of a better term, did give my cheeks a subtle flush of color. It's fairly natural looking, as Victorian makeup is intended to be, but there is still enough pigment that you can notice a difference. This color is also buildable, so it is possible to achieve a more dramatic blush look if you use more than one petal. Application-wise, it is a little tricky to get the color deposited in just the right spot, and it's very difficult to properly blend once it's applied. You need to be constantly rubbing and blending as you go, so that you don't end up with some weird patchy red spots on your face. The other thing I found is that it does get into your pores a little bit, which, especially if you have larger pores, can make them appear even more prominent. This often happens to me with other liquid blushes, so I can't blame the petals alone, but it is something to keep in mind. So, final verdict, does this trick work? Yes, it does. It gives a lovely natural flush to the cheeks and is fast to apply. Will it be replacing my normal blush products? No, not anytime soon. As always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!